at the end of the day, CA is always there. But I wanted to do something different and not just follow the herd mentality of, सब कर रहे हैं इसलिए even I'll do.
और आपको 3 papers में ranks आए, 3 India ranks and 3 world ranks. What was the secret recipe for getting the ranks?
For Indian students, there is a mentality of, rote learning and practicing everything on paper, writing. That is not how this course works.
What was the most wonderful moment at Synthesis Learning?
Most wonderful moment would be the first rank that I got. The time when I was felicitated at Bangalore. ACCA had called me and they said felicitated me with the new members, and that was a very proud moment for my family as well. When I found out that Synthesis Learning was giving me a full scholarship for the P-level coaching, it was like a very happy moment for my family as well. I remember missing out on a rank by just 1 mark. If you have an ACCA qualification, it is better. You have a better chance of a promotion than someone who doesn't have ACC.
You have to leave 3 tips behind. I'm very happy to be in conversation today with our dear student Raghav Goel. And I think this conversation is truly special because Raghav has not just completed all his 13 papers to become an ACCA affiliate, but he has also scored 3 world ranks on the way. I think in the truest sense, Raghav has, I can say, raised the bar in the ACCA world. And I feel so happy to be sitting today and conversing with you, Raghav.
Thank you.
I think the last 3.5 years of your journey, I mean, you were at it, we were at it, but today when it's all done and you've sort of started a new journey with your work life, etc., I think it feels it feels a very different kind of a satisfaction at my end. How do you feel?
So the last 3.5 years have been quite a memorable journey. They have been full of ups and downs. I have seen my fair share of challenges, but I've, fought through everything that has come my way. And yeah, it's been a learning curve, I would say. And I've taken a lot of learnings to carry on in my professional journey as I have stepped into that world now. And yeah,
But I can just say, of course, this is not the end. This is the start.
this is just the start.
But if you look at your ACCA journey, what a gorgeous journey has it been, right? I think when you scored the first world rank and then the second one and then the third one in 3 different papers, I think it's amazing. So my first question which I want to ask you is, how did it all start? आपने ACCA करने का कैसे कब सोचा?
So during my journey, when I was in 11th standard, I was going through all the courses that were available to pursue.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, CA is always there. But I wanted to do something different and not just follow the herd mentality of, सब कर रहे हैं इसलिए even I'll do. So I researched more. I wanted something with a global presence, which will maybe help me to go abroad later
Okay.
in my journey.
Okay.
So I was going through all the courses, and there are courses which you are eligible only after graduation. So I wanted something alongside graduation as well. And then COVID hit.
Hmm.
Then
So you're the COVID batch
Yeah,
now, right? You're a
that's
difficult journey
exactly.
student. Okay.
So there was more time on our hands to research and to, take a decision.
Yeah.
So I Googled everything and I found out about the learning providers as well. And Synthesis Learning stood out to me.
Oh.
And I contacted them. They explained the course to me very well.
Oh.
And it was a difficult decision as I didn't have anyone to look up to, as nobody else was pursuing ACCA.
Correct.
So I just took a leap of faith and I enrolled for it.
Correct.
Going through the courses and everything, I really like the curriculum as well while studying for it, while attending the lectures and everything. So that's how I started and that's how I stuck to my plan.
Oh. On which college did you go to?
I studied my BCom at Jai Hind College.
Okay, so you did your BCom at Jain and parallel to that, parallel your ACCA. So you started ACCA immediately after class 12.
Yeah, just before class 12. So there was this uncertainty about the boards.
Yeah.
If they will take place or they won't.
Correct.
So just before that.
As I remember we started the batches because boards were cancelled. And I think you finished your ACCA as soon as you finished your TY or just about that.
Just about that.
Wonderful. Raghav, you mentioned something that, you did not have anybody to look up to.
Yeah.
You took a leap of faith. But let me tell you, there are so many that will look up to you today,
Yeah, sure.
right, for the journey that you've had. And they will want to hear your journey and get inspired to take a qualification like this, right? So I think kudos to you on that. And I think so you cleared all your 13 papers in the first go.
Yeah.
और आपको 3 papers में ranks आए, which is I think financial reporting, tax, and I think the latest being advanced tax. 3 India ranks and 3 Voya ranks. What was the secret recipe for getting the ranks?
So I would be really honest and say that there was no secret recipe for the ranks because I had never studied for the ranks. I just stuck to my process and ensured that it's foolproof. So if I leave no,
Stone unturned.
stone unturned for my preparation, then I feel that the journey will get to my destination instead of thinking about the destination and not giving my best during the journey.
Correct.
That is the main thing. So having a process set is good, and then carrying on for the rest of the papers is.
So what is that process that worked in each of these ACCA papers? मतलब आपने content पढ़ा, Kaplan content बहुत अच्छे से किया. I think now the ACCA recently introduced a study hub which you started to do. You did your mocks on time. तो थोड़ा सा वो बताएं स्टूडेंट्स को कि क्या सेट प्रोसेस है which if you do रैंक पता नहीं but आप definitely clear करोगे and then the cherry on the cake could be a rank also.
Could be a rank.
Yeah.
So basically, if for example I had lectures with synthesis learning, so for example, once the lecture is complete, if you revise that thing on the same day or maybe the next day before the next class, then you are able to cover that portion
One back itself. Yeah.
itself. And if you have any doubts, you can clear it on
On the go.
on the go. And then question practice is very important because for Indian students there is a mentality of rote learning and practicing everything on paper, writing. That is not how this course works.
Absolutely.
So you need to be smart about how you study. Smart work matters more than hard work in this
Yeah.
scenario.
Yeah.
And giving the mocks on time, doing the exam kit and study kit twice or thrice helps. Basically, it's a confidence game.
Yeah.
So if you are more confident, you will be able to score well.
And I often tell a lot of students that as you rightly said, एक बहुत बड़ा transition है for Indian students from the rote learning mindset and actually आप BCom में भी वैसे ही पढ़ रहे हो. But when you're into the ACCA class, firstly the whole medium is different because you're writing an exam on the system. और वो directly आप mock day पे exam दोगे तो doesn't work. You have to build up.
Yeah.
And students have this mentality. I've seen a lot of students even in places like Bombay. They are Instagram savvy, but they are not necessarily savvy with writing. You still have to teach students how to navigate through the paper.
Yeah.
So being phone savvy is different from writing an exam.
Exactly.
So I think वो बहुत constant practice चाहिए और वो होता है तब जाके फिर आप अपना mock दो फिर आप अपने final exam में जाओ. So I think that pattern is very important. Another thing which I feel, Raghav, which I have seen you, closely as a student, and I've seen how you've been at it because ACC exams every 3 months.
Every 3 months.
So you can't really relax. You can't really decide that I have a wedding in the family, let me skip the exam. I've got to go for a holiday, let me skip the exam. I have a BCom exam, I'm not going to write because वो तो होते ही रहेगा, right? So I think the beauty of completing the qualification in 3 years, being at it with that discipline, मुझे लगता है that is what
I remember I haven't skipped even a single attempt since I started the skills level. And that has been a key. There were BCom exams, there were something or the other happening, but it was important to stay at it.
Correct.
Otherwise, once that complacency comes in, then it's easy to skip a lot of attempts in one whole.
बिल्कुल. So वो rituals जो है वो आपने बहुत अच्छे से follow किया और उसका end product दिख के आया, है ना? Okay. ये सभी papers में राघव, which paper would you say was the most challenging paper?
Challenging would have to be AFM.
AFM? Yeah, okay.
Because it was a very different paper than the rest of them. The portion was not that lengthy, but it was conceptually quite heavy. But it was very interesting at the same time. So there was the urge to study daily.
Correct.
It wasn't like, oh no, I'm not getting it, I won't study. It was the continuous urge that I will get it, and it's quite interesting as it is a real world practical paper. So that was a very good paper.
Okay.
I remember missing out on a rank by just 1 mark, so that AFM. Oh, that was quite a setback, but I took it as a learning curve for the next paper, and then I secured one in ATX.
Correct. Wonderful. And in your 3 years, I mean, her student के life में होता है. I mean, you can't have a happy moment constantly, right? Everybody has their dull points and you have to sort of gather yourself and pick up. And In fact, you come from a batch which experienced it the most because you started your ACCA COVID
Yeah,
and
COVID.
COVID, right? So I wanted to leave a message for a lot of students on the way that it's, I mean, everybody is in the same boat, but you have to gather yourself and you have to, you'll have to work towards motivating yourself daily. I think that's very, very important.
That's important. We have to be mentally strong. Only then can we stick to our plans and execute it. Otherwise, having a plan and not executing it is has no point.
Correct.
Otherwise, you won't get anywhere.
Absolutely. Raghav, ACCA being such a modern day qualification, it is so practical in its approach. The exams are so, with the times, and they really prepare you for, today
Real world.
day, age and skills. आपको सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा है qualification का? What did you feel that okay, wow, this was what I had thought और ये मेरे को मिला?
So basically, the conceptual clarity which I said you need to write the exams, it is away from the road learning. You don't need road learning to clear the exams, and the computer based exams are also quite modern and advanced. Because when you go into the office to work, you will be handed a laptop to work.
Absolutely.
There won't be a pen and paper. So that those 2 points have been quite big, and along with that, the linkage to the practical world has been good because ACCA keeps updating their syllabus as well in link with the modern times.
Correct.
So that is
And I think the whole interlinkage of reporting, financial management, performance, strategy, leadership, technology, I think वो आपको एक बहुत solid business acumen देता है.
and the flexibility as well of 3 months, one paper each time.
It really helps, right? To concentrate on one end.
It's better to clear one paper with more assurity rather than give a lot of papers and
Not sure where you're going to make
not
it or
even work. Yeah.
And I think वो भी एक होता है ना आप एक एक पेपर क्लियर करते हो तो वो it's a milestone done. Like you feel your progress in ahead.
Your best in one basket,
Right?
It's like
The wonderful. And I think all of this eventually led you to start a journey with KPMG.
Yeah.
Right? थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताओ. When did you start working? What exactly were you working on?
So I started my journey at KPMG in October. So I was left with my last paper ATX.
Okay.
And I was just applying and seeing where I go. And it turned out that KPMG gave me an offer. I cleared their interviews and they gave me an offer. I was a bit hesitant to start with them considering that I still have one paper left to go. So I just took a leap of faith again and
Which department did you join?
I joined as an audit associate. Okay. For the UK banking sector.
Okay.
And
when you started to work, did you feel that the skills ACCA has empowered with you with his now helping
the
you?
focus ACCA has on ethics is quite practical in the corporate world. We see that daily on a daily basis. So that really helps. And yeah, it was a bit challenging to manage the last paper and the job as well. But in the end,
It
got
happened.
through.
Right.
Yeah.
Wonderful. In this whole journey of 3 years, if I have to ask you, what was the most wonderful moment at Synthesis Learning?
I would say that the most wonderful moment would be the first rank that I got because it was unexpected and it was in my first skills level paper. So I wasn't sure how well I did it. But when I got a rank, it was a very proud moment for me. And also the time when I was felicitated at Bangalore, ACCA had called me and they said, felicitated me with the new members. And that was a very proud moment for my family as well. When I found out that Synthesis Learning was giving me a full scholarship for the P level coaching, it was like a very happy moment for my family as well. It is something which translated into monetary benefit and it encouraged me to give my best for the P level. And yeah, I think I lived up to it as well.
Yes, absolutely. I think we chose the right person.
Yes.
This हमने scholarship दिया because as you rightly said, you lived up to it. And interestingly, at the organization now, it is available to every student like you who secures a ranks. If you do well, there is a scholarship to fund your P-level education, and we'll hopefully continue that legacy in the times to
I
come.
think that will help a lot of students to excel their careers.
Yes, absolutely. Wonderful. And if you have to ever sort of progress in life and go back and think about your class at Synthesis Learning, you've interacted with so many tutors, mentors, stuff. आपको सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा? What is it that you'll remember us?
The offline batches, when they resumed, they were quite, engaging.
Okay.
Because the transition from online to offline was a bit tough, because now everyone was comfortable with online classes, not having to travel and all that. But Synthesis did good that we resumed offline classes and we could connect in person with the teachers, with other students, and share the mindset and tell everyone that we are in it together, not
Correct.
on our own.
Correct.
So that's
Correct. And how did you sort of unwind? I mean, with the whole stress of doing college and one exam every quarter, how did you spend time unwinding?
So I used to follow sports and all to keep myself going, and that's about it. Otherwise, I didn't look at studies as studies. It's something I really liked doing, so that kept me going. Otherwise, if you are not into them,
Correct.
it will be difficult to do them continuously.
Correct. Wonderful. So, Raghav, how do you think ACCA as a qualification is now helping you do your job?
Yeah. So ACCA, the terms and the curriculum which are used in the course structure itself, they are quite advanced and they link to the real world. They are seen in the corporate world as well. And I can say that the fields of accountancy, audit, taxation, they have been designed in such a way that it is practical in the corporate world and helps you on the job. So the studies you have done in ACCA also applies to the corporate world, and it is also a step up in the corporate ladder. So if you have an ACCA qualification, it is better, you have a better chance of a promotion than someone who doesn't have ACC. So it's a good value addition for all the students out there looking to enhance their skill set in the fields of accountancy, audit, taxation, finance.
Yeah, ACCA, when I talk to so many working professionals, it leaves you behind with a very problem-solving mindset.
Yeah.
Right? I think it makes you think innovatively. It makes you a decision maker.
Analytical thinking.
It improves analytics. I think your data crunching abilities, and I think most importantly, your articulation skills. Your ability to solve a problem and put it in the right words is what ACCA, prepares you for. And as you progress more in your career, Raghav, and you bag bigger roles, you work on bigger projects, you will see this coming even more.
Yeah.
So, those wonderful case studies you did in the SBL paper or those case studies you did in the SBR papers will become real life problems, in the boardrooms. And जब आप वो solve करोगे ना, that is when you will realize the kind of foundation that ACCU leaves you behind with. तब आप बहुत याद
That
करोगे.
gives an edge to.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It gives an edge, it gives a global perspective. And, tomorrow, let's say in the future, if you ever have to travel abroad, you have to work with people from different cultures, you have to work with people from different nationalities. I think ACCA's global language, if I may call it, is what you will appreciate the most. And one last question, Raghav, if you have to leave 3 tips behind for so many ACCA students on the way of what they should do to sort of crack the exams and, complete their journey in time, what would those 2-3 tips be?
So basically, it's the simple steps for all the papers. If you just do the exam kit properly, do the study text properly, do not skip anything from the portion, and just keep practicing. It's a confidence game. The more confidence you have, the higher the chances of you clearing the exam and maybe even getting a rank.
Okay.
So that would be it. Now there are options such as Study Hub available. The ACC have made that available to us, so that can be used to improve your performance.
Enhance your performance.
Yeah. And that's it. You can always consult your tutors to give feedback on your mocks and everything.
I think writing those 2-3 mocks is very important, right? उसके बिना exam session में जाना नहीं है.
Yeah, you need to assess what you have written and what the examiner expects of you. If those two things match, then you will score better.
Correct.
So that's it.
Absolutely. So it was wonderful conversing, Raghav. I think from the entire team at Synthesis Learning, and as your mentor, I'm very happy. I wish you congratulations.
Thank you.
On your achievement to date, and I wish you all the best for your journey ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's been a journey with Synthesis Learning. I'll always remember.
Yes. Thank you, Raghav.
Thank you.